Evening, everybody. It's 6:25 on Monday night, June the 20th, and this is your first look at the futures for tomorrow. Now, remember, a lot of these were open today, so what you're seeing now is tonight's, but it's actually cumulative. It includes last night's also. Okay, so the grains were not open. Crude up $1.03. It was up about 90 cents during the day today and last night. Had settled back in against the low, but made a higher low, and tonight is trading back at 109.04, which is up $1. What was up, though, more substantially were the distillates. This is kind of the tail wagging the dog because you need crude if you want to be able to make heating oil and gasoline. So, heating oil, which was down about 1.2%, right now is up 13 cents. That's about almost 4%. Let's see, 3.17%. So it made a higher low also, but this is a much more substantial move on a percentage basis. Same situation with the gasoline. Gasoline was down big for the week last week, down 11.8%, but it too, well, it's an inside day, as most of these are, but also a substantially higher low, and is up about 1.35% at 373. It doesn't seem like much, but that's a pretty big move from 355, which is the low from Friday. Gold and silver were net gas. I'm sorry, net gas is down 20 cents. Back coming into support, 650, 660 in that area, hit 663 overnight, back to 674, down only 19.8. Gold basically unchanged, silver unchanged, copper unchanged. The rest of these are not open, but here's the big surprise. It's not a surprise for me. If you looked at last night's letter, you'd know that I'm expecting another rally. S&Ps are up 37 and a half. They got down to as low as 36.61. They're now trading 37.13. That's $50 off the low, and they were higher. The high is 37 and a quarter, so they were up 50 at one point. NASDAQ up 112, Dow up 260, and the Russell up 1830. We have the dollar unchanged. We have Bitcoin, which in the cash market traded down to 17,500, which was one of the numbers that I put out on Friday as my expectation for the low. We didn't stay there. That was in the cash market on Saturday night. Hit that 17,580, I believe, was the number, and bounced back up to 21,000. Clearly not out of the woods, and down 215 on the day, with Ethereum up a little, but some stability in the market, I think, is going to drive this. This was an asset flush the last couple of days. The bonds were down 18-30 seconds overnight. They're not doing anything today. They're just hanging exactly where they were overnight last night and into the day today. As you can see, we had the big move on Thursday, new low followed by a rally closing up on the day. Then today, or last night till today, we had an inside day, lower high, higher low, but actually up $1 and a quarter. And tonight we are down that 18-30 seconds. So there you go, folks. I'll have a pre-opening comment in the morning. Hope everyone had a good week.